Hi friends, welcome back. Today I am going to share with you all about my sweet potato harvest. So here you can see formation of sweet potatoes here. So I will be harvesting them. So come, let's get into the video. And what you're seeing, all these creeper kind thing is a purslane. It's an edible weed. It is good for heart health, like arrhythmia, call it as irregular heartbeat. So I'll be removing this, and I'll be making use of only the leaves. So I'll be used for cooking purpose. So I'll remove this also. So this is one single large plant, and this is one more kind of sweet potato variety. I just need to check. First I need to water and see. You can see it has formed bulbs, but a kind of tiny one. So let me allow this to grow for some time. So this plant I removed, sweet potato. You can see it's been eaten very badly. Actually, earthworms are residing inside the soil, as I said. So once I didn't harvest properly, the result is they tend to feed on the food which is available for them easily. So this is one more sweet potato patch, and one more here, and one more there. So let me check what's going on, whether the bulbs have formed or not. I need to check. Yeah, indeed they have formed, but they are very tiny. So you can see they have formed, but it has to still grow further. So I will again repot them and leave it inside the soil itself. Wait for another 1 month. And this is another grow bag. Yeah, not bad. Still they are small. These are orange color sweet potatoes. This is the earthworm. And this is one more sweet potato variety. So I need to check. So still earthworms. You can see the poops. You can see the earthworm. Can you see the poops? This is how it looks. And here you can see the bulb is formed. Not bad. This is from this plant. ನಮ್ಮಿಡಿ ಬಿಡ. this is my produce, friends. Hope you all liked my harvest, and I wish even you all to join and start your own vegetable garden and enjoy harvest. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care.